JEE Main 2025 question. For two projectile, initial velocity same. Angle of projection for first projectile is 45 minus alpha and for second projectile 45 plus alpha. Maximum height is h1 and here maximum height is h2. Then find out ratio of maximum height h1 upon h2. Now equation of h is v naught square or u square sin square theta upon 2g. But here v naught square 2 and g is same for both. So h proportional to sin square theta. So h1 upon h2 is equal to sin square. Theta is here 45 minus alpha. For second, sin square 45 plus alpha. Now equation of sin square theta. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. So sin square 45 minus alpha can be written as 1 minus cos. Now double the angle. So 90 minus 2 alpha divided by 2. Divided by sin square 45 plus alpha. 1 minus cos. Now double the angle. So 90 plus 2 alpha divided by 2. 2 is cancelled. So 1 minus cos 90 minus 2 alpha, that is sin 2 alpha, divided by 1 minus cos 90 plus 2 alpha, that is minus sin 2 alpha, and minus minus becomes plus. So answer is 1 minus sin 2 alpha upon 1 plus sin 2 alpha. Thank you.